Hi, this is Sarah Mikesell with the Pig site, and today we are here with Paul Vanberg. He is the founder of Vantek Concrete Restoration and Protection, and Ryan Albright, who is a product manager for the company as well. So thanks for being with me today, guys. Appreciate your time.
Thanks, Sarah.
You're welcome. Today we're here at World Pork Expo in Des Moines, Iowa. And the show is, is just getting underway. And Paul, we're going to start with you with a couple questions. Tell me a little bit about Vantek product offerings and what you guys are showcasing here at the show today.
Well, the most important thing that I've learned over the years, and it's been close to 40 years in this industry, is that the pig environment is really a tough one. People don't understand how difficult it is to maintain equipment and concrete products and protect their investment in the buildings and facilities. And so what we've done is we've designed products that are able to withstand the acids, the wear and tear from the animals in these facilities, and for years and years. So it's a worthwhile investment. Our focus has been primarily on concrete restoration, slats, floors, walls, and then also the metal surrounding the building on the inside and the exterior. So that's our focus, is maintaining these investments in building materials at pig sites.
Very good. And what are some of the features and benefits of your brand?
Well, again, as I was mentioning, it took a long time to determine what the acids were in these sites,
right.
And what the wear and tear requirements were. So we've tested the formulations for many, many years,
right.
And we have test sites throughout the industry where our products are compared with other chemistry and products available. And we've found those products that do have the capabilities to last 10 plus years for a product. And that's what's really important, because producers spend a lot of money to maintain their facilities, and we want to provide products that are going to provide the durability, right, at a reasonable price. Right. And that's our goal and our commitment.
Excellent. Well, thanks so much, Paul, for your insights there. And Ryan, let's switch over to you. Let's talk a little bit about what makes your products unique. Paul alluded to this, but tell us a little bit more.
Yeah, you bet. One of the things that we're most excited about is our products are extremely user-friendly. We have very straightforward mix ratios. Our contractors really enjoy the consistency of the product, the reliability when we manufacture the products. We don't experience issues with our product. We always have the same product coming out every single time. And so we have reliability. And as Paul mentioned earlier, the uniqueness of the product is Paul has really taken the time to research and develop products that are totally specific to these facilities that we're in. So even though there's a lot of various products out there, they might not necessarily be the right fit for the application. And so what Vantek has is totally specific to these facilities.
Because it is a harsh environment, right?
Correct, yep. A lot of acid attack and just wear and tear. I guess, Paul, you know better than me. It's just a really harsh environment.
Need a lot of abrasion resistance and chemical resistance, and our products have both.
Cool. Excellent. Well, Ryan, tell us a little bit about, if a customer is looking to purchase these products, where do they go? Where do they start?
So we have a very wide distribution network, and these products are available all across the United States. Pretty much anybody in our industry that has a retail supply store, you're going to very commonly find Vantek products available. So anywhere you want to go, Hog Slat, Farmer Boy, those types of places.
Very good. And I assume they can also go to a website, right, to track someone down, right?
That's right. Yep, vantekcrp.com, and can talk to myself, can talk to Paul. We actually have another product manager named Brad Hinkle as well.
Okay, very
good. So we have everybody covered.
Yeah, that's awesome. And you're working in, Paul, I'll ask one final question. You guys work in industries other than just agriculture, right?
That's true. We do some commercial and industrial applications, and we have products that are designed for those facilities also.
Right. Every environment's a little different, I would think.
That's true. And the chemistry requirements are different also.
Very good.
But we're able to handle that.
Right. Excellent. Well, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate your time today.
Thanks, Sarah.
This is Sarah Mikesell with the Pig Site.